All right, so I woke up later today. Um, Currently we're getting a pretty good setup. Both NQ and ES look the same right now. We pre-market we swept these highs and these highs, and then market opened and we just took out hourly lows on NQ. We took out both of these. And my bias was bullish this morning, so I'm looking for a long off of these if I get a good setup. So see what happens. All right, so in NQ we created a inverse fair value gap. If we get a good retest or retrace on this, I will enter, but if we do not, I will not enter. All right, looks like we may be getting a little retrace here. If we touch this inverse, I'll enter. But besides that, I'm not gonna just get carried away and enter. ES would be good if we had a fair value gap created at all. But we don't have that. We have an order block. We got an order block, but I don't want to trade off that. I'd rather wait for this to get retraced, which we're getting pretty close. What might happen though is we won't go all the way down to this fair value gap, and we'll instead just trade up, and I'll miss it, but that's fine. Okay, if we make a low lower than this wick, I might enter in, but I really want to see this get hit. Oh, we just got so close. Just wanted to push a little lower. Just a little lower. There we go. All right. This is going to be where I enter. Once I get a candle close back. Okay, yeah. Got a good rejection off that. Let's go long here. Stop. Stop here. TP here. We'll do yeah, TP here. Or a little lower. TP right here. Alright. Follow the rules. What we get is what we get. See what happens. Might add to this position. I'm going to. And I'll do partials at these highs. Right here. We may get stopped out. We may have a winning trade. Who knows? I just let it play out. I don't want to see a candle close below this box right here. That would mean we still have bearish like structure. So I only want the wick to go down here to take people's stop losses. Hopefully hopefully not all the way down to mine, which is getting kind of close. But ideally it'll get pretty close to my stop. And then we'll go up from here. I already got stopped out. Just perfect at my stop loss, bro. And look, now I bet we go higher. I bet we go higher. Yeah. Right at my stop loss. It's all right. Um, Only problem is I don't know where else I would have put my stop loss. I mean, I guess I could have. I feel like I would have got stopped either way, but um, that's unfortunate. But you could see this play out to see if it would have hit my TPs. We look at ES. It looks like it did the same thing. It looks like we had a huge downwick to where people would have had their stops right at this level. So that got a lot of people, I bet. But yeah, man, that sucks. We're because this is gonna hit TP now probably. My first take profit would have been hit, so I had it at the top of this box. But yeah, I bet it hits these highs. We did have high impact news today later. So overall, I mean, this wasn't the like most ideal trading day. But still made a good setup. It's just, you know, it happens. We're getting a really nice reaction off of this. All right, I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna make a trade recap on this later today. I've noticed a couple things could have done better, and yeah, I'll go over those. But so this is actually Thursday, the day after I took this trade. So let's go over this. So this was all the pre-market consolidation right here. Pre-market, we took out buy side. We took out this high. So then I was looking for a move down before looking for a long. And so we got that move down. We took out these lows, and then so we got a turnaround right here. We in the process we had this inverse fair value gap. We had these two bearish fair value gaps, and this one played a big role in the loss. But we had this one that was disrespected. I waited all the way for a retrace before entering. I knew this retrace was gonna happen. I entered off, I think, this wick right here. And one of those, we went a little lower. And we started going back up again, but then we got this huge down wick that stopped me out. And then we just consolidated in this zone, and we never hit my target. My target was this high. And we went down further. It looks like we went and took out more liquidity down here. And then ultimately we went all the way down to this low. But two things here. Price obviously wanted to take out this liquidity instead of just reversing off this one. And another thing was I went long with this inverse fair value gap right here. And this one got a lot of rejection from all these candles. Got a lot of rejection in here. We never got a single candle close above this. They were all just wicks. And so so obviously we wanted to go lower. Not upset about this trade. Not upset about this at all. Honestly, just gotta be a little more careful of more context, paying more attention to 15-minute and stuff like that. But yeah, so that's that, and I'm looking forward to trading Friday. Thursday today I didn't trade, which I'm about to post a market overview though. I was up really late the night before, needed sleep, and didn't wake up for market open. But yeah, so I'm gonna make that video.